What's up, Pundi X holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, I'm present with the latest update of the PundiX. My friends, you will be feel very happy after watching this interesting video. So keep watch this video till the end, friends, and never miss. That is only 2 minutes video. I believe that you will be feel very happy after watching this video. So never miss. Anyways, first of all, we discussed the latest update of the PundiX, and after that we discuss the good news of PundiX. My friends, the latest price of PundiX at this time is 1.71 USD dollar. That is the latest price of PundiX. On the other side, if we look, the price changes occur in the PundiX. So the last 1 hour pricing is negative. Now from the previous last 1 month, the price is continuously fast down, fast down, fast down, fast down. What's the reason behind that, and when will they take a jump? A lot of people also ask me this question, so I will try to answer your question. Now at this time the price is fast down. You know what, why the price is fast down at this time? It is the end of month, that is why the price is fast down, my friends. In the end of month, a lot of holders decide to invest in new coins. A lot of people to invest in new coin. That is why the price is fast down, my friends. That is why the price is fast down, because people want to invest in new coin which is trending, which is moving upward. So that is why the price is fast down, my friends. Anyways, now the good news is that for all of you, you can see that the price is continuously fast down from the previous last 1 month. That is the last 1 month price chart of the PundiX, my friends. My personal prediction, on the basis of technical analysis, on the basis of my personal research, my prediction about PundiX is that in the start of June there is a lot of chances to they take a jump, my friends. In the start of June there is a lot of chances to they take a jump, my friends. What do you think? What is your prediction about PundiX? Please tell me in the comment box. And remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay connected with the ABS Tech channel.